and the disposal account. Okay, machinery account and disposal account. Right, so we're going to start with the machinery account. All right. Okay, so in the machinery account, right, we go here, right? We bought a machine on 1st July 2015, 15,000, all right? Then we also bought another machine on 1st January 2016, 15,000, all right? So we can record those. Okay, so we say 1st July 2015. Okay, bought this machine by check. So we're going to say 15,000, 15,000, right? This year passes, right? And our balance brought down. Okay, we'll still come back on the our debit side, 15,000, right? And we bought machine B. Okay, that was on bought machine B on 1st January 2016. First January 2016, and machine B, right? 10,000, right? We total these up. That's 15,000 again. And so when we total these up, we get 30,000. 30,000. Okay, so this will be the balance brought down. Again, 30,000. Okay. And then we also purchased machine C. Okay, machine C. That was on the 30th April 2017. Okay, let's say 20,000. Now remember, we were getting rid of machine A because we sold it on 31st December 2016. Okay, we have to get rid of machine A because we sold it on the 31st December, right? So we're going to credit the machinery account 15,000. Okay, this was the cost of machine A. All right, so this same 15,000 will be debited to the asset disposal. Okay, so Let's find our balance for our machinery account. All right, so we're going to say we're going to compare which side is higher, the debit or the credit side, and we can see that it's our debit side. So we get the figure from the debit side, that's 30,000 plus 20,000, we get 50,000. So we'll also record it here, 50,000. Thousands. So our balance carried down is going to be 50,000 minus 15,000, that's 35,000. All right, so the following year, the balance brought down will be 35,000. Right, so we are done with the machinery account. Okay, we can just end here. Right, so this 15,000 is going to be debited to asset disposal. So that's the next account I'm making, asset disposal. So it's asset disposal. Right. So we're going to debit the asset disposal, right? Right, 32. $17. Going to debit the asset disposal 15,000. Okay, this is machine A. This is dealing with machine A because we've sold it, so we have to get rid of it in our accounts. Right, so this came from machinery account. So we debit asset disposal 15,000. All right, then all right, the accumulated depreciation which we calculated for machine A was 4,200, which is here. Machine A, 4,200. This is the accumulated depreciation. All right, so it's the amount we're going to put in our asset disposal account. Right, 4,200. All right, this came from accumulated depreciation. Right. Then also remember we sold the machine, all right, and we said we're going to credit asset disposal account 11,500. Okay, we're going to credit the asset disposal account 11,500. All right. So now we have to find out if we made a gain or a loss. Okay, so I'm going to see which side is higher. It is our debit side. No, no, it's the credit side. Let's see. This is going to be. So our credit side is high. Yeah, our credit side is high. Okay. Let's see. Say 11,500 plus 4,200, 15,700. So that's the amount put on both sides, right? So remember, when the credit side is higher, right? Whenever the credit is greater than the debit, you have made a gain, right? So how much is our gain? Let's say 15,700 minus 15,000, and our gain is 700 kwacha. All right, so we're going to say so our gain, okay, and it's going to go to our profit loss statement.